Welcome to One Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series. Inorganic Chemistry questions for you. Here you got Xenon Difluoride. You have to find hybridization and shape of it. To find the hybridization, you should find the steric number, which is H equals V plus B minus E whole divided by 2. Here V represents valency, so xenon has octet, so 8 valency. The bonded atom is B, which is fluorine atom, which is 2. So steric number will be 8 plus 2 minus 0 whole divided by 2, which leads to 5. 5 mean, if you look at the table, it's a trigonal bipyramidal structure, but you have only 2 bonded atom. So where the lone pair will come? The lone pair calculation calculated by H minus B, which is 3 lone pair you have, so 2 bond pair and 3 lone pair. So the lone pair theory is lone pair always come equatorial position, so you end up with linear structure, because in trigonal bipyramidal structure lone pairs are not visible. So the structure of xenon difluoride is linear. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching.